Hello YouTube, this is Fawaz from Australia Unwrapped.com. We're back with another video about the article essential items to bring with you on the beach on Australia Unwrapped.com. There is no particular season to visit a beach. You can visit a beach 365 days and at any time of the day. Some beaches are serene and tranquil, receiving very less crowd, while some beaches are more lively and hustling and bustling with crowd. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a few things that are very essential for you to bring to the beach with you. First of all is a sunscreen. Even if it's not sunny outside, do not forget to bring sunscreens with you. The second is super fashionable sunnies. If you want to protect your skin from the harsh sun, your eyes too need some protection. The third is large beach towel. The fourth is snazzy flip flops, and after that a sexy beach wear and a sarong or a cover up. And the next thing is a portable waterproof speaker to enjoy the quality music on the beach. The next thing is a summer beach tent or a large umbrella to protect yourself from the sun, and a waterproof phone case. You are on a beach and you head back home without clicking a single picture. This is next to impossible. Snacks and juices. If you have a plan to spend the whole day on beach, carry some snacks along. And the last thing is a large and stylish tote, of course, to carry all your beach essentials. For further details, click the link below and make sure to hit the like and subscribe button.